Ancient techniques for everyday well-being. Imagine a time long before smartphones, gyms, or even the concept of self-care. Ancient civilizations faced challenges similar to ours: stress, fatigue, and the search for meaning. Yet, they managed to cultivate profound practices that promoted physical health, mental clarity, and spiritual connection. These techniques, rooted in wisdom thousands of years old, have withstood the test of time. And here's the secret. Many of these ancient practices can be seamlessly integrated into our modern lives, offering us tools to find balance, wellness, and joy in everyday moments. Today, let's uncover these treasures from the past and see how they can transform our present. The power of breath. Let's start with one of the simplest yet most profound practices: mindful breathing. Ancient yogis in India believed that breath was the bridge between the body and the mind. They developed Pranayama, a series of breathing techniques designed to calm the mind, energize the body, and bring awareness to the present moment. Try this. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 counts. Hold your breath for 4 counts, and exhale through your mouth for 4 counts. Repeat this cycle a few times. Notice how your body begins to relax, your thoughts slow down, and a sense of calm washes over you. This simple practice, rooted in ancient wisdom, can help you navigate the chaos of modern life. Movement with purpose. In ancient China, practitioners of Qigong and Tai Chi discovered that slow, deliberate movements combined with focused breathing could enhance energy flow, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. These practices emphasize balance, both physical and mental, and can be done anywhere, whether in a park or your living room. Even the simple act of walking can become a mindful, ancient-inspired practice. The Buddha himself recommended mindful walking as a way to ground the body and clear the mind. Next time you're strolling, try this. Match your steps to your breath, feeling the connection between your body and the earth. It's a gentle reminder that movement doesn't need to be intense to be impactful. Harnessing nature's wisdom. Ancient civilizations deeply respected the healing power of nature. The Egyptians used essential oils like frankincense and myrrh to relax the mind and promote healing. Traditional Chinese medicine incorporates herbs like ginseng and ginger to balance the body's energies. Indigenous cultures use grounding practices, like walking barefoot on the earth, to reconnect with nature's rhythms. Incorporating these principles can be as simple as adding herbal teas to your routine, diffusing essential oils in your space, or spending a few minutes outside each day. Let the natural world remind you of its timeless wisdom and the peace it offers. Rituals for mind and spirit. Many ancient practices emphasize the importance of rituals, not just for the sacred, but for the everyday. The Japanese tradition of Chado, or the tea ceremony, transforms the act of preparing and drinking tea into a mindful meditation. Every step, from boiling water to pouring the tea, is done with intention and presence. You can create your own rituals for well-being. Start your day with a simple gratitude practice. Light a candle during your evening meal, or set aside a few moments for reflection before bed. These small, intentional acts can anchor your day and bring a sense of calm and purpose. The art of letting go. Ancient wisdom teaches us that wellness isn't just about what we do. It's also about what we let go of. The Stoics in ancient Greece practiced amor fati, the love of fate, which involves accepting life as it comes, without resistance or regret. Similarly, Buddhist teachings emphasize non-attachment, recognizing that clinging to outcomes or material things often leads to suffering. Try incorporating this philosophy into your life by reflecting on what you can release, whether it's a past hurt, a toxic habit, or unrealistic expectations. Letting go creates space for growth, clarity, and peace. The timelessness of connection. One of the greatest sources of well-being in ancient traditions is connection with others, with oneself, and with the divine or the universe. Indigenous tribes prioritize community, gathering regularly to share stories, food, and laughter. Meditation practices from various cultures encourage turning inward, reconnecting with your true self. In today's world, connection can be as simple as having a meaningful conversation, journaling your thoughts, or spending a few quiet moments in stillness. These practices remind us that we're never truly alone and that we're part of something much larger, bringing ancient wisdom into the modern day. The beauty of these ancient techniques is their simplicity. They don't require expensive equipment, complicated steps, or hours of your day. They're about tuning into the natural rhythms of life, honoring the body's wisdom, and finding harmony in the moment. Start small. Choose one practice, perhaps mindful breathing or a daily ritual, and weave it into your life. Over time, these ancient techniques can help you cultivate a deeper sense of well-being, guiding you toward a life that feels more balanced, meaningful, and connected. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the ancient paths of well-being. If you found these practices inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, the wisdom of the past is always within reach, ready to enrich our present. Until next time, may you find peace and purpose in every moment.